Okay, let's start. So yesterday we saw about how to do mass UD and how to schedule a background job for automated usage decision and how to get the skip plots, how to create the dynamic modification rules for skip plots, right? So that is what the contents yesterday we have seen, and today we will be seeing source inspection. Okay. So what is source inspection, right? So source inspection is that if a buyer wants to inspect at supplier premises, that means, for example, I am buying a tire from some supplier to make car in my plant. So I will go to supplier premise and I will inspect there itself, and then I will ask them to send that material to my site for manufacturing. Instead that if any defect is there, after bringing here, you send back to them and they will do rework and come back. So what for critical item, what they will do is they create purchase order to supplier. So
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
create say issue. So with reference to this purchase order, they will make the product and keep ready. And ready to ship. Okay. Now inspection at supplier premise. Let me put here. Yes. Then deliver to the plant. Okay. So here supplier, then this but customer, this person from manufacturing plant will issue this purchase order to supplier. Based on the purchase orders, supplier will make the part and keep ready to ship. At this time, they'll inform to the customer, that means the manufacturing guys who are procuring the parts from the supplier. So they'll inform, they will come and here to their premises, they will inspect this, and then they will ask them to deliver this product to their site. So to avoid the later reverse and return scenarios, right? So just they will check there itself. If any correction is there, they will make correction and they will send. So this is called source inspection. Okay. So how we will do that in the system, that we will see today. So in system, how it happens: create the purchase order, purchase order, then create. Okay, now you have to create inspection lot. Moss. Okay, so the process, yeah, first the purchase order will be created and released. Then there is a transaction to create the inspection lot for the released purchase orders, which is relevant for source inspection. Okay. So you have to create inspection lot with reference to the purchase order. So far, what you have seen in the incoming is you will create inspection lot against a GR. Okay. That means your purchase order will be released, then part will be made, then you will do GR at the time of GR. Here, for example, if inspection is not there, the part will be delivered to customer. There you will do GR. At the time of GR only, inspection will be triggered automatically. That is what we have seen so far. So this process is you will create inspection lot with reference to your purchase order itself. Okay. So that is called source inspection. So you have to create inspection lot by executing a transaction manually. That's what you have to understand. So you have to execute a QA07 transaction where it will check, okay, what are the purchase order released and which is relevant for source inspection. It will pick those purchase order and it will create an inspection lot. Okay. So once inspection lot created, process will be same. Then you will do results recording. Then you will do usage decision. So here actually, if even if defect is there, normally they will not create defect and they won't follow return and other process, right? They no need to block, they no need to keep in block, or they no need to return it because they are inspecting at supplier premise itself. System has capability to even create defect if there is any issue. Defect can be created, defect notification also can be up. Defect notification also can be created for this. And for your document pro, okay, you inspected, you identified defects, then that defect will be rectified by the supplier then and there, then they will be delivering this product. Or if suppose non-rectifiable defect, then they will replace the quantity directly into the stock and they will send the final parts to the customer premise. Okay. So now we will see how this happens in SAP, or what are the prerequisites now you need. Okay. So what is prerequisites for this? You should have the source inspection type assigned in the material master and info record. So 0101, that is the inspection type, will be used for source inspection.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Source inspection, material assignment, because this we know in the material master QM view, we have to assign the inspection type if at all we want to trigger any inspection for any material. The next one is the same to be assigned in your info record as well. Quality info record. So, and you should have inspection plan with relevant usage. should be 59. Yes, this usage can be anything, that even if you customize, that customized usage can be used. I think normally for source inspection they use 59, I guess, but let's see in the system. We have different, we will pick the different one. That's not an issue. So now let's get into the system and we will see. MM02. I'll just go to material first and I'll see whether my material is activated for source inspection. Okay. So here you see, I have activated 0101 model inspection for GR purchase order, and the